Why are you lagging? I mean, come on, what the f? What's up guys, 𝐿𝐻𝐷 here from GetFix, and I'm pretty sure you've dealt with slow computers before. Well, today I'm going to be showing you three different methods on how to speed up a lagging or slow computer. For example, when you launch open an application, it is extremely laggy. It takes anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes just to load up the application. And also you're browsing through YouTube and watching one of your favorite creators, me of course, I mean, come on. But your video constantly buffers every 3 seconds. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that. Let's get it. Alright, so first I'm going to be presenting the 3 ways that you can speed up your computer, and then I'll walk you through a process of doing it. So the first way is through software. Simply go into your settings and take care of that way. The second way is changing the hardware of your device. For example, your hard drive. This is an SSD. An SSD is 10 times faster than a regular hard drive simply because it's not using physical mechanical parts in order to retrieve data. Now, the third method is by changing your RAM. The higher the RAM, the faster your computer could be. My laptop is at 8 GB, but I do plan on bringing it up to 16 GB in the future. Now, what RAM stands for is random access memory. Here's how the process works. So you launch open an application, the RAM will be working in the background. So for example, if you launch open Adobe Audition and you start using Adobe Audition, it'll take segments of the most important data and it'll store it inside of the RAM chip. That is going to make the retrieval process much faster simply because it has that temporary memory stuck on the RAM card. Now here's how you do the first method. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar. If you have Windows 10s, then it's right there. If not, then you could click the start menu and start searching, and then type in refresh, just like that. You're gonna see reset this PC, click on it. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them. I am gonna remove the personal files, of course. I don't want any of this on my computer. None of that's mine. Okay, and then reinstall Windows 10, so get started. Choose an option. The first option says keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. This is going to be the option for you. So for example, if your computer is just going slow, but you do want to keep all the data on your computer, then you choose the first option. The second one is for me. Remove everything. Remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. For the first one, any apps that did not come with a computer is going to be erased permanently and you will have to reinstall it. Any stock apps that came with a computer is going to be reinstalled on the computer. It's just the apps that you've downloaded elsewhere. Your option is keep my personal files, and for me it's remove everything. We're gonna click on that. This won't take long. Yes, it will. Do you want to clean the drive too? Just remove my files. This is quicker but less secure. Use this if you're keeping the PC, and of course I'm gonna keep my PC. And the second one says remove files and clean the drive. This might take a few hours, but will make it harder for someone to recover your removed files. Use this if you're recycling the PC. So the first option, of course, is for me. That is if I plan on resetting the PC, and that is what I'm doing right now. So plug in your PC. We can reset your PC while it's running on battery power. Okay, let me grab the charger. Alright, getting things ready. This won't take long. Ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. So reset now. Resetting this PC. This will take a few minutes and your PC will restart. Cool. Okay, so it currently says working on updates, 27% complete. Do not turn off your PC. After it is complete, I am going to walk through a whole process of setting up the computer, and I'll be right back. Come on, Alexa, you disrespectful you. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Alright.
You can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Alright.
Mission accomplished. You're off. Now we can go look for any updates.
Let's do it. All right, so before Cortana interrupts me again, what I have done so far is completely reset it. Come on.
In short,
I agree. Accept. I don't even know what I accepted, but I did it anyways. Anyways, I do have a video on how to factory reset a PC with a password on there. So for example, if you can't get into your computer, I have a...
your work or school, or if it's yours, we'll set it up accordingly.
Set up for personal use. Next.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
�Gmail.com. Enter. All right. Enter. All right, let's see if I... Yes.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
All right, send.
A text with a link to install your first app is on its way to your phone. Feel free to finish linking your phone and PC first. We can wait.
There it is. All right, so now that Cortana's not bothering me, let me explain this. Okay, if you want to learn how to reset your computer, so for example, if it has a password on it and you want to learn how to factory reset that, I do have a video right in the top right corner. We're going to hit next. Just one moment, not a moment, one moment. There it is.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
Sure.
Hey, look, that's me.
That wasn't a yes, by the way, so I don't know what kind of terms and agreements you broke. Sure. Once again, that wasn't a yes, so I don't know what type of terms and agreement you're breaking, Cortana. Listen to me, women. Stop talking over me. I'll let you have all of them. For example, the location, the diagnostics, relevant ads, Sure. I don't want random ads. Speech recognition, yes. I want you to know what my voice is like. Tailored experience with diagnosed data. That's kind of, how do you say that? That's creepy, weird. We're going to go ahead and hit accept.
Okay, that's the last step. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Hey. You better. It better not. Thank you. Okay, guys, so remember that was the first method. You don't want to wipe out your PC like I did, but instead you want to refresh it. I'm actually going to be walking you through method 2. Let's do it. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your computer, PC, or laptop. Okay. You do want to disconnect anything connected to it. Flip it over. Before we continue, I do want to let you guys know not all PCs or laptops are the same. So although my RAM stick may be somewhere in this region, yours might be somewhere all the way here. Although my back panel comes off one way, yours might come off a completely different way. Either way, try to follow along. All right. And there they are. Bad boys. As of right now, I do have 2 GB sticks inside of my laptop, but I am going to upgrade it to 4 gigs. And make sure when you're doing the research for your RAM sticks, you type in the proper name. For example, this says 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝𝐻 Korea 03, 2 GB 1RX8 PC3. You do want to make sure you're matching up the name with what you're ordering. You don't want to buy the wrong RAM stick that's not compatible with your PC or laptop. Same exact thing here. This is me just carelessly sticking a 4 GB stick inside of my laptop. I don't know whether or not it's compatible because I didn't do my research, but your computer will let you know when you try to power it on. So if it does not power on, then you're gonna have to buy other RAM sticks because these are not compatible. I'm gonna try that now. Hit the laptop over before I put the second 4 GB stick in there. Come on. There you go. Power on. Okay, I don't know, you might get lucky. The computer launching open like this simply lets me know that the RAM stick is compatible. But when you're putting RAM sticks inside of your laptop, you do want to make sure they're both the same thing. If not, you're going to have some difficulties when you launch open your computer. Remember that. So I am going to stick the other 2 GB stick in there. So in total, I will have 6 GB, 1412. Once again, you do want to make sure they are the same sticks. They don't have to be the same gigs, but they do have to be the same branding. Wait a second, before I put the back panel on, the third method is to actually change the hard drive. Forgot about that. So you can use something like an SSD, which is way faster than a regular hard drive. Simply swap it out with your old one. Mine is somewhere here. Oh, mine's actually pretty easy to take out. Just pull out this slot right here, and there goes my hard drive. All I simply got to do is unscrew it from this, and then stick the new one into here in place of it. And stick it right back in my laptop. For some people, it might be different. For some, you may have to open up the back panel and unscrew the hard drive in order to put a new one. Mine's different. All I simply have to do is pull out that slot, switch it, put it back in. Perfect. If you simply just want your computer to be a beast, then do all 3. Refresh your computer, change your hard drive, and also change your RAM sticks. And I promise you, you won't know what lagging is. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, comment down below and let me know. Also, give it a thumbs up. Remember, I do respond not to every single comment, but I do read every single comment. Just remember that. Keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed. I really do appreciate you being here, and I'm out. Peace.